With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Today our question is, if the line y is equals to x root 3 cuts the curve x cube plus y cube plus 3xy plus 5x square plus 3y square plus 4x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0 at point A, B, C, then find the value of OA into OB into OC is equals to where O is the origin. So we will draw the coordinate axis first. We can see that we have given a line whose equation is y is equals to x root 3. Right, comparing it with the general equation of line, we can see that the slope is root 3 and y-intercept is 0. If slope is root 3, that means tan theta is also root 3, and tan theta is root 3 at theta is equals to 60 degree, right? So now we know that the line is having an angle of 60 degree between the x-axis and the line itself. So we will make a line here with an angle of 60 degree with the x-axis, right? Let's suppose this is our line with angle 60 degree between the x-axis and the line, right? Now we know that the line is cutting the curve at 3 points, right? So if the line is cutting the curve at 3 points, that means those 3 points will also lie on the same line, right? So we can say that the curve may be like this, right? So we have just assumed that curve might be like this. So here let's assume that this is your point A, this is B, and this is C, right? Now we know that how to find the coordinates of A. We know that the horizontal distance and vertical distances, this is a perpendicular and this is the theta, right? This is OA, origin and A. Let's say that OA is equals to R, right? If OA is R and this is 60 degree, then by using the formula PBP upon HHB for sine, cos, tan, then cot, sec and cosec, right? So here we can see the relation between, this is your height, this is your hypotenuse, this is base, and this is perpendicular, right? So the relation between R and B, between hypotenuse and B, is here cos theta. So we can write here that cos theta is equals to B upon H, and B is the horizontal distance, that is we have to find out. So we can write here B is equals to H cos theta, and hypotenuse is what? R. So we can write here R cos theta. Similarly, for the vertical distance, we have to find out a trigonometric ratio that is having the relation between hypotenuse and P. So we can see that sine is having a relation P upon H. We will write here sine theta is equals to P upon H, right? We have to find out P. We can write here H sine theta. H is what? R. So we will write R sine theta. So the coordinates of A are horizontal distance, that is R cos theta, comma R sine theta, right? We know that theta is 60 degree, so we can say that R 60 is R cos 60 is and R sine 60. So R cos 60 will make it R by 2 and this will make it root 3 R by 2. So this is what our first point, right? R by 2 and root 3 R by 2. Now we know that this point passes through the curve, right? So we can just put this point A, put A in curve's equation, right? Curve's equation is what? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy plus 5 x square 3y square 5x square 3y square plus the last two terms are 4x 5y minus 1. So 4x 5y minus 1 is equals to 0, right? We have the points as R by 2 and root 3 R by 2. So we will just put them and we will get R upon 2 whole cube plus root 3 R by 2 whole cube plus 3 times of x, which is R by 2, y, which is root 3 R by 2, plus 5 times of x, that is R by 2 whole square, 3 times of y square, that means root 3 R by 2 whole square, plus 4 times of x, that means root 3, plus 5y, 5 root 3 R by 2, minus 1 is equals to 0. Right, now we will open this equation and we will get R cube 2 2 are 4 2 are 8, so r cube by 8 plus r cube. Root 3 into root 3 gives us 3 and 3 into root 3 will give us root 3. So 3 root 3. This will become r cube into 3 root 3 upon 8 plus this will make it r square and 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 r into r will make it r square upon 4. Then we will have 5 r square by 4. Then 3 into root 3 square is 3. So 3 3s are 9. We can write here 9 is r square by 4. 2 square is 4. Then the last number will be 4r by 2. And the last second term will be 5 root 3 r by 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. Right? And we know that this line is cutting this curve at 3 points. So, and also we have the equation of curve. It is a cubic equation, right? So it will have 3 roots, right? And that 3 roots will be the points where the line is cutting the curve, right? So let's say r1 comma r2 comma r3 be the roots of the above equation, right? And we know that we have to find out the distance OA into OB into OC. If OA is r1, OB is r2, OC is r3, then this will be the roots of the equation, right? We can write here r1 into r2 into r3. We know that product of roots of a cubic equation is minus d upon a. D is the coefficient, the constant term, and a is the coefficient of the leading term, that is the first term. So first of all we will take common in every term, and we can say that we will have here r cube common. R cube is common. We will have 1 upon 8 plus 3 root 3 upon 8. So 3 root 3 upon 8 r cube. Then for r square we will have 3 root 3 upon 4 plus 5 by 4. 3 root 3 upon 4 plus 5 by 4 plus 9 by 4. So 5 and 9 will make it 14. So we can write here 3 root 3 plus 14 upon 4. 3 root 3 plus 14 upon 4 r square. Then for r we will have 4r by 2 plus 5 root 3 r by 2. So they have same denominator, right? So 4 plus 5 root 3 taking r common. Then minus 1 is equals to 0. We know that this term is your a, this term is b, this term is c, and this is your d. So according to this equation, we can write here r1 into r2 into r3, which is OA, OB and OC, right? So this will be minus d upon a. Minus d is minus 1. So minus of minus 1 upon a is what? 1 plus 3 root 3 upon 8, because they have same denominator. So we can write it as 1 plus 3 root 3 upon 8. So after simplifying, we will get 8 upon 3 root 3 plus 1. Now since we have a rational number in the denominator, so we will rationalize it. And how can we rationalize it? We will multiply the numerator and denominator by a radical that will get rid of the radical in the denominator. So here our radical is 3 root 3 plus 1. So we will multiply 3 root 3 plus 1. We will multiply 3 root 3 minus 1 in denominator and numerator. This will give us 8 into 3. That means 24 root 3 minus 8 into 1 is 8 upon 3 root 3 plus 1. This is a plus b, a minus b. So we can write it as 3 root 3 square minus 1 square, a square minus b square. This will give us, let's take 8 common. We will have 8 of 3 root 3 minus 1 upon, this will make it 3 3s are 9, 9 3 27, 27 minus 1 is 26. So this will be our answer. So after simplifying it, we will get 4 upon 1 3. So 4 upon 13. 3 root 3 minus 1 is the required answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.